Avail offers 5 core features for managing your rental property: listings, applications, leases, payments, and maintenance tools. Access to each of these features is included in all of our subscriptions, starting with Avail Unlimited, where an unlimited amount of units can be added at no cost. To enhance your experience as a landlord, Avail offers an Unlimited Plus subscription that includes additional resources, customization, and automation tools on top of our 5 core features. Today, we'll show you the benefits included with upgrading to an Unlimited Plus subscription with premium features. Unlimited users have access to advertise vacant units to a dozen top marketing sites, request rental applications including credit and background reports, sign digital state-specific leases, collect rent payments online, and track maintenance requests. The Unlimited Plus subscription includes these features plus additional resources to provide a seamless end-to-end experience for you and your tenants. This subscription is $5 per month per unit and includes a custom marketing and portfolio website with a tenant portal login, next-day rent payments through FastPay, waived ACH fees for tenants' online payments, full customization of applications and leases, and the ability to clone and reuse custom lease agreements. Let's take a look at what each of these features look like in your Avail account. When you're ready to look for tenants for an available unit, publish your free listing in Avail and it will automatically be posted to a dozen top marketing sites. You can message leads, set up showings, and request applications and background screening requests. Unlimited Plus users can activate a custom marketing site to have a professional central location to point prospective renters and current tenants to. The marketing site will automatically update to display all properties in your portfolio as well as any available listings that are published in Avail. Prospective tenants will be able to apply directly from this site, and current tenants can use it for a custom login to their Avail account. In your Avail account, you're able to select what application information and screening reports are requested from leads. This allows you to make an informed decision when selecting tenants, so you can feel confident moving forward with a lease. Unlimited Plus users can customize the application experience by adding additional questions according to specific needs for your units. Once you approve the applicants, you can draft a lease to send to the tenant to sign digitally. Our state-specific lease templates are available to landlords for free on any subscription. With Unlimited Plus, you're able to edit the existing clauses and add your own custom clauses to the lease template before sending to your tenant to sign. Unlimited Plus also allows you to choose from any past lease as a starting template for future leases. This way, you can save your custom clauses and reuse them. Landlords can invite current or future tenants to pay through Avail. Tenants will receive automated receipts and rent reminders according to your preferences and can set up recurring payments through AutoPay. Collecting rent through Avail brings ease with these automations and sets your tenants up with all the tools they need to make rent payments on time. If a landlord has a free unlimited account, tenants will pay a $2.50 ACH fee per transaction. Rent payments will be deposited to the landlord account in the standard 3 business days. Upgrading to Unlimited Plus waives the ACH fee for all of your tenants. Their processing fee will show as waived by landlord when tenants go to make a payment. On Unlimited Plus, you will also be able to receive rent payments in as little as 1 business day through FastPay. The FastPay technology allows tenants to sync their bank account to bypass the ACH process for easy next-day deposits. To receive the benefits of all these Unlimited Plus features, upgrade your account at any time by selecting Subscription Plan in your account. Feel equipped in the way you manage your rentals with a subscription that is right for you. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer care team by phone, email, or chat. Details found below this video.